Adzviser. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Gu, I'm the founder of Adzviser. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through another new feature that we've just introduced to our Google Sheets add-on, custom filters. So with this update, you can now filter your reporting data directly within our add-on, okay? And then you can use conditions like spend greater than 1,000, campaign name contains brand. No more need to pull in all that data and then clean it manually afterwards. You can now just get the data that you want right off the bat. So whether you're building client dashboards or reviewing your performance metrics across platforms, campaigns, or channels, this new update with custom filters could make your workflow a lot more faster and then a lot more focused. Let me show you how that works. So let's launch our Google Sheets add-on. This is where the new custom filters features are located at, okay? So filters. For the purpose of this demo, I want to show you the effects of applying filters before and after as a contrast. So for now, let's do, last month's, okay? And I want to do reach, frequency, and spend. Okay, and then reach, and then let's do impressions. Okay, and for the breakdowns, let's do age, gender. All right, so let's try to get our data from our connected Facebook ads account. So apparently these are the reporting data from the past months from our connected Facebook ads account. So after inspecting our reporting data, we can see that we have a few demo groups that have less than 1,000 US dollars of spend. So let's try to apply a filter that filters out all the demo groups that have less than 1,000 US dollars of spend. So let's set our filter to spend. Okay, I want it to be greater than 1,000. And so I expect this role, okay, 18 to 24 female demo group to go away because this demo group has less than 1,000 of spend. Okay, I want to get data to table. And let's see if our filters are working as expected. All right, so it looks like it is. From age 18 to 24, female group, that demo group has been filtered out due to our criteria that we set up right here. And this is it. So I want to add one more thing before we end this video, which is that even if you close our add-on and then reopen it, these filters that you have previously set will still persist, meaning that if you schedule refreshes using our add-on right here, okay, which allows you to schedule refreshes on a weekly, daily, monthly basis. These filters will still be in effect even if you schedule refreshes, so that you don't have to ever clean your data afterwards or filtering out the non-relevant data manually afterwards. Okay, so yeah, I hope you find this video and this new feature helpful. I really wish that you find value in it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.